Alrighty. So I brought the wheel forward and I double checked the alignment, which I think is okay. But what happened is now there's plenty of chain slack. There's about almost 2 inches of chain slack, but it hits the center stand. And then I was looking at chain tensioners, and then I figured, well, there's already a spring on the center stand. Why don't I just attach some rubber? And also I have an issue with the center stand hitting the exhaust because the aftermarket exhaust I got didn't come with any kind of stopper. So there's no stopper on the center stand, so I added some rubber, I don't know what to call them. They're like it's like a rubber bushing type thing that's originally meant for something else. I bought like 2 pieces and cut it one in half. So I've got spares, and I just used a, what's it called? I just use a hose clamp to clamp on both sides of the center stand. So now I'll just show you this free play real quick. I don't want to touch it. Just use, oh, not the kid's toy. Just use this leaf. You can see the free play is pretty good. Like there's a fair bit of free play there. Maybe that's 1, 2, maybe it's 2 inches. But yeah, that was clacking away on the metal of the center stand. So I put this rubber thing here, I've clamped it, and then on the other side where I clamped it, it helps actually because now the rubber on the same side, like go over here, I don't know how good the low light is on this. I've set it to 1080p 60 fps. The rubber on the other side actually hits the muffler first, so it's not like fully pushing against the chain on that side. So I'll just show you real quick when I put it on the side stand again. And this saves me actually buying a chain tensioner, so it's kind of like a ghetto fix. So you can see here, if I can get under, you can see here down the side, the rubber that I've clamped to the center stand actually is now a bumper to stop it scratching up the side of the muffler, and it also helps reducing I don't want too much tension on the chain, just because. And see on the chain side, it still is tensioning the chain to a degree, but not extremely. If I can get the angle here, I don't want to detach it because I'm already about to ride. I'm going to test this, but it's tensioning. If you can see this angle, it's tensioning the chain a little bit. And the goal is to just stop that clacking noise and not to scratch the muffler. But as well, I'm just going to ride and test test everything. What is with these speed bumps, bro? There's like heaps, because it's near a school. But there's a lot of speed bumps. The heck? At least I know my shocks are working okay. Sorry, still. So we can see how that held up. Chain's still good. Still, like, it didn't move. Like, I tightened it. I tried to make sure it was tight enough that it won't move, and it seems to be okay. Cool, and I didn't feel it clacking. So mission accomplished. And on this side, nope, it's still holding there good too. Nice. That's what I want. That's what I wanted to see. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.